First off, calibration is not unique to portable devices. All analytical equipment needs to be calibrated or to have a calibration factor applied to it. The calibration is just a little bit more visible when you're doing the analysis yourself, but this allows you a little bit more control over the calibration. In many cases, the factory calibrations are entirely sufficient, but what you need to do is check the calibrations using standards that cover the concentration ranges that you're looking at and the types of material you're looking at. If a calibration is required, it's a fairly simple process, and these can be done using simple tools that every geologist has at hand. Some analyses are affected by both the concentration of the elements and the structural makeup of the sample. This is called the matrix effect. This can be overcome by using matrix max standards, which are standards that cover the same concentration ranges and compositions that you'll be looking at in your samples. Well, it's true that in the case of XRF, X-rays will go through plastic or paper bags. The X-rays themselves are not unaffected by this, though. You'll have some attenuation of low-energy X-rays, and what this will cause is an underestimation of your light elements. Also, sample bags can contain contamination in a number of key elements, which further adds to the problem. So sometimes you can get good results, other times not. But what the problem is you're missing a lot of really useful and valuable information. In a lot of cases, people have spent a lot of money to collect the samples. So for the matter of spending a few more minutes to get a proper sample in front of it, you can collect much more information, much better information, and then that allows you to do multiple things down the road, whether you're looking at things like lithogeochemistry or geometallurgy. In some cases you can use LIBs to measure gold, and at some higher concentrations you can use XRF. The problem with gold is because of the small sampled volume, the nugget effect becomes very extreme in how it can affect the data you get. If you're measuring gold, you want to do a number of replicate analysis to really understand the area you get and what the numbers you get mean.